So the first thing we're gonna do is to seam rip the pocket. We have also to seam rip the sleeves. Tapos gugupitin lang natin siya para maging pantay. Then gawin lang natin siya sa upper part. And then papantayin lang natin sa may part ng sleeves. Tapos ikakat lang din natin yung button area. And then we are going to sew all the raw edges. After that, magiging ganito siya. And then we are going to connect the sides. Moving on to the shirring part. Gamit ang elastic threads, gagawa tayo ng shirring by 1 inch away from each other. As you guys can see, nagtira lang ako ng 3 inches para may style din yung dress natin. Now, let's move on to the sleeves. We have to sew the raw edges first. So, for the bottom of the sleeves, ilalagay lang natin yung elastic band. Nagtira pala ako guys ng konting butas para ma-insert natin yung elastic band. And now we are going to connect the sleeves to the dress. At para maging perfect na yung sleeves natin, kailangan lang natin mag-shirring. Next is gagawa naman tayo ng dalawang strings. And then we are going to connect it to the front of the sleeves. And then we are done. So now let's see for the final transformation.